What's going on, everyone, and welcome into today's information video. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, Sell House, Ohio, and today we're talking about how to sell your house that has code violations against it. I'm the first one to tell you, we've had a lot of code violations. Everybody gets them, right? This is just part of owning real estate. Getting a code violation, it's not that scary of a thing. I mean, if you were to avoid it completely, it's only going to get worse like anything else. But if you got code violations against a property that you own in Columbus, Ohio, or really anywhere in Ohio, don't worry about it. We're going to be able to get through this here together. So, first and foremost, we got to give a little love to the code violation officers. I know you probably weren't expecting to hear this, but many of them are really great people. We've owned so much real estate all around Columbus and all around Ohio. We get to know them pretty well, you know? I mean, because you can get a code violation for almost anything. Chipped paint, you can get a code violation for not mowing your grass, you can get a code violation for any number of things. So it's pretty common to get a code violation if you own real estate. Clearly, we've done a lot of real estate transactions and owned a lot of real estate, so we have had our fair share, and we've actually got to know some of these code violation people. They're just doing their job. We got to embrace them with love. You know, there's no animosity whatsoever. They're just doing their job. And the best thing you can do, first and foremost, if you get a code violation, is just reach out to them. Reach out and let them know that you're not running, you're not hiding, you're going to get this all taken care of, you're going to get it all squared away. That's the best thing you can do. And I think what you'll find is they're very receptive. They're happy that you gave them a call because unfortunately, most people, they do just the opposite. What do? They run, they hide for the hills, and and that just makes everyone's job more difficult. The code violation officers, they're just doing their job, and their job is to keep the city looking good. And there's no crime, no foul with that. It's all good. So if you get a code violation on your property, I would suggest reaching out to the code violation officer. And another option is if this is maybe a vacant property or if it's time to sell, give us a call. We work with people all the time. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people who are kind of getting some code violations against their property. Some of these situations have escalated all the way to environmental court. We've dealt with this stuff. We have an amazing team where we can actually help you with legal expenses if there are any. In fact, our team will work on your case, and we don't even have to pay them. You do not have any out-of-pocket costs if we kind of have to get this thing through the courts. We will help you through this. We can work it all into the deal like we've done for many, many other people. You can see all the video testimonials on the website, on the YouTube channel, and we're here for you. So if you have a property that you want to sell fast, conveniently, in its as-is condition, pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here at 614 300 5151 or visit us online. We're here, sellhousecolumbus.com, your number one home buying company in all of Ohio. We have earned that. We've been doing this for over 14 years, and you have nothing to lose by picking up the phone or filling out a form online. And let's just see if we can work together. Because even if we can't buy your house, we're here to point you in the right direction. We have a vast network. You can use our resources. We are truly here to help. And you'll hear that. If you listen to the testimonial videos on the site or on the YouTube channel, you'll hear a number of people that are genuinely grateful that we help them out. Whether we can buy your house or not, we're here to point you in the right direction and help you out. So once again, my name is Dave Payerchin. Visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com or pick up the phone 614 300 5151. We will help you with your property that maybe has code violations or any situation that you might be going through. We buy properties all over Ohio. Regardless of the situation, we're going to make it convenient, we're going to make it fast, and we're going to be fair. We will see you soon. I look forward to working with you.